Hi inmates, this is going to be the fastest YouTube video I've done so far. This is just a really quick thing. We probably already know how to do this anyway, but I thought there may be some people who don't know how to do it. I've got the following error coming up on my dash. It says here, remote key battery weak, limited central locking function, change battery. So I've been having some problems with the central locking on the steering lock because of the battery being weak in here, believe it or not. Let's show you how you change it. So all we're going to do is you flick open the key part, and then using your thumb under here, you just push that back. That comes off. And then once you're in here, we're going to prise this out like that. Throw that away. Make sure I've got some brand new ones here. They're exactly the same. CR2032 3-volt battery. Put this inside. Oops. Pop the cover back on. Hey presto. Now let's go and look on the bike to make sure that alert has gone. Turn it back on again. And it's gone. That's how you change your battery in your keyless remote. If you enjoyed this video, if it's any use to you, please give me a thumbs up, a like, leave a comment. But more importantly, start looking at my other videos I've got. I've got some really cool videos, and I've got some really exciting ones coming as well. I don't know if you can see, I've put new lights on the bike. I've put a dash cam system on the bike. That video is coming in the next couple of days as well. I've got loads of exciting things happening. So please, if you haven't already, subscribe, click on the bell notification so you don't miss the next video. Okay, that's it for me now. I'm off out for the night. It's date night. See you later.